Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete beginner's guide to Brevo. Now, this tutorial will cover everything that you need to get started, from creating your account and exploring the dashboard, to managing those contacts, creating lists, segments, companies, and sign up forms. So by the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how Brevo works and how you can start using it to run your marketing campaigns effectively. And if you're planning to start with Brevo, I've got two exclusive offers just for you. First, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for the first 3 months using the link that we have put down below. And second, you'll get access to a complete Brevo course that teaches you everything you need to master the platform. The link to both is down there in the description. Now, let's get started. So, if you're new to Brevo, let me just give you, first of all, a brief overview of what Brevo is. Brevo is formerly known as Sendinblue, and it's an all-in-one marketing platform that will let you send professional emails, manage customer relationships, and automate your marketing workflows. It combines CRM, email marketing, SMS, chat, and transactional messaging conveniently in one place, making it ideal for both small businesses and growing brands. Now, let's move to the first step and create your accounts. Once the homepage opens, look there at the top right or the left corner of the screen and click the Sign Up Free button. You'll now be taken to the account creation page where you'll see three options to sign up. Sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, and sign up with your email. For this tutorial, we'll use the email option. Enter your email address and create a password, then click the Create Account button. Brevo will now send you a verification email to your inbox. Open that email, click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once you have verified your account, you'll be redirected to the setup page. Now, this is where Brevo will ask you a few details like your name, your company name, your website. Now, fill in this information to complete the setup. After that, you will automatically land on the Brevo dashboard. Now that you have created your account, let's take a closer look at the dashboard, really to begin to understand how it works. Now, you will land on the main Brevo dashboard once you have created your account. This dashboard, you should really think of it as the central hub of your account, and it will give you access to all of the key tools and features that you need. On the left side, there is a menu bar that includes the main tabs like Home, CRM, Marketing, Automation, Transactional, and Conversations. Now, the Home section shows you an overview of your performance, active campaigns, and engagement data. The CRM tab is where you manage contacts, companies, and deals. The Marketing tab is probably what you think. It's used to create campaigns, newsletters, forms, and landing pages. Now, under automation, you can create workflows that automatically send emails or also will send messages based on triggers. The transactional tab is for system-generated emails like confirmations and password resets. And the conversations tab allows you to manage live chat with your visitors. Now, each section is designed to help you manage a different part of your marketing process. Now that you know where everything is, let's move ahead and add a new contact. To create a contact, click on the CRM tab in the left menu. A drop-down will appear. From there, select Contacts. You'll now be on the Contacts page, which displays all of your existing contacts, if you have them, in a table format. Here you can view, organize, and manage all of your contacts. Now look there in the top right corner, you'll see two buttons, Create a Contact and Import Contacts. Since we're adding a new one manually, click on Create a Contact. A new panel will slide in from the right side of your screen where you will enter your contact details. Type the first name, last name, email address, SMS number, and landline number of your contact. Now, if you use external tracking, you can also enter the external ID or EXT_ID. Then select the contact's time zone. Choose which list to add them to and enter their job title. Once all of the fields are filled out, scroll down and click on the Create button. Now, the new contact will appear in your contact list along with all of your existing ones. If you don't have any yet, you will soon. You can verify details like their email, subscription status, and creation date directly from the table. Super easy. Now that you've added a contact, let's move on to organizing your audience using lists. To create a list, go back to the CRM tab on the left menu and click Lists. This will take you to the Lists Management page where you'll see all of your existing lists in table format. To create a new one, click on the Create a List button in the top right corner. A panel will appear on the right side where you'll need to fill in two fields, the list name and folder. Now enter a descriptive name for your list, such as newsletter subscribers or also leads, and then choose a folder from the dropdown. Now, after filling out the details, click on the Create List button. Your new list will be created and displayed there for you on the page. You can click on it anytime to customize or view the contacts inside of the list. Now that you've created your first list, let's move on to the next feature, which is segments. To create a segment, click on the CRM tab once again and choose Segments from the drop-down menu. This will open the Segments page where you can see any previously created segments. To add a new one, click the Create a Segment button at the top right corner. You'll be taken to the templates library where you can either create a segment from scratch or use one of the pre-built templates. If you prefer to create one manually, you can click Create Segment from Scratch. However, for this tutorial, we'll use a pre-built one. Under the email marketing category, click on the Engaged Email Contacts template. Once you select it, you'll see the segment builder page with different filters for condition blocks. For example, one block might say link clicked in an email. You can customize this condition to track a specific campaign or any email really, set the number of times it was clicked, and choose a time frame like in the last 30 days. If you want to track a specific campaign, click Choose Which Emails and then select your desired campaign. To add more conditions to the same group, click And, or you can also use Or to combine different sets of criteria. When you're done setting filters, scroll to the bottom and click the Save as Segment button. Your new segment will now appear in the list. Once you've created your segments, you'll have better control really over who receives your campaigns. Now let's move to creating companies inside of Brevo. To create a company, click on the CRM tab again and select Companies from that drop-down menu. This will take you to the Companies page. This is where you can view all the companies added to your account. If this is your first time, the list will be empty. Never fret. To create a new company, click the Create Company button at the top right corner, and a side panel will open on the right side where you can add company details. Start by linking the company to a contact if you want to associate it with someone. Then enter the company's name, website URL, industry, and phone number. Now, be sure to review the information carefully, and once everything looks good, click on Create. Your new company will now appear on the Companies page. Having companies linked to your contacts helps you track client relationships and manage business-to-business communications efficiently. Once that's done, let's move to another important feature, which is creating sign-up forms. To do that, go to the left menu. Click on the Marketing tab. Now a drop-down will appear with several options. From there, select Forms. This will take you to the Forms page where all of your existing forms are displayed. To create a new one, click on the Create Sign-up Form. That's the button in the top right corner. You'll then be taken to the Create Form page. Here you can choose between two types of forms. Full page embedded, which gives you a hosted link or embed code for your website, or pop-up, which is available for the professional plan. For this tutorial, we'll use the full page embedded option. Now, after selecting it, enter a name for your form and click Create Form. You'll now be taken to the form editor where you can start designing and customizing it. On the left side, there are two main sections, Build and Form Design. The right side shows you a live preview of your form, pretty convenient. Click on the Build section to start adding content. You can drag and drop elements like titles, texts, images, dividers, and fields. The Field section allows you to add attributes like name, email, or phone number, and also multiple choice option for your subscribers. There's also a section for data privacy and security where you can add a GDPR declaration, check boxes for consent, or a CAPTCHA for spam protection. Once you've placed the elements, you can click on each one to edit text, colors, labels, and spacing. After completing the structure, click on the Form Design tab. Now, this area allows you to adjust your text, your background, buttons, and layout. This will all make the form fit your brand style. Take your time and make it visually appealing. Now, once you've finished designing, click the Next button to move to the Lists stage. Here, choose which contact list the form submissions should be saved to. You must select at least one list since all new signups need to go somewhere. You can select multiple lists or even create a new one directly from this space. After selecting the list, click Next. Now you'll move to the settings stage. Now, this section allows you to decide whether you want to send a confirmation email to your new subscribers or add them instantly to your list. If you don't need a confirmation step, that's fine. Choose No Confirmation Email. Then click Next to continue. The next stage is the Messages section. Here, you can customize the success and error messages that will appear after users submit your form. You can adjust messages for empty fields or invalid inputs. Now, once you're done, click Next. And finally, you will reach the Share section. Here, you can choose how to share your form. You can copy a direct share link, you can download a QR code, or embed the form on your website using the provided HTML or iframe code. Just paste it directly into your website editor where you want the form to appear. Once everything looks correct, click Done all the way there at the bottom to finalize it. Your new sign-up form is finally ready, and every submission will automatically be added to your selected contact list. Now that you know how to create accounts, manage contacts, organize lists, build segments, add companies, and design forms, you have finally mastered the foundation of Brevo. Whew, well, that's it for this tutorial. You have now learned all of the basic steps to get started with Brevo. You know how to create an account, explore the central hub or the dashboard, manage contacts and lists, build customer segments and company profiles, and design sign-up forms that collect leads automatically. And if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to grab 50% off Brevo's starter and business plans for 3 months using the link that we put down there in the description. Plus, you'll get my full Brevo course to help you become a pro even faster. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.